Just bake this raspberry almond coffee cake. It's heavenly and perfect with a cup of coffee. Prep time, 20 minutes. Cooking time, 50 minutes. Total time, 1 hour 10 minutes. Each slice contains 320 kilocalories and serves 10 to 12 slices. Ingredients needed: 1 cup sugar, 2/3 cup softened butter, 2 eggs, and more. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cream together the sugar and butter until fluffy. Beat in the eggs one at a time and add almond extract. Sift together flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Combine wet and dry ingredients, mix just until combined. Spread half of the batter in the prepared pan, then add raspberry jam. Spread the remaining batter over the jam layer. Sprinkle sliced almonds and sugar cinnamon mixture on top. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Let it cool before slicing and serving. Enjoy it with or without powdered sugar.